Just run! Go, now, run! Nope. Oh, so she's not his daughter. Whoa. He can alter it. Oh, okay. He's willing to do anything, even hurt the girl because, yeah, because he can put her together. Yeah, that's true. If he's holding her, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. No! No, 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 no. He's gonna aim it at the girl. Oh no. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. How is he surviving? Oh my god. Oh. I don't even know what to say. Does that mean his power's gone forever? Or if they save Eddie-chan, does that mean that she'll be able to fix it for him? Or will they be able to use science to bring it back? I don't know. I did not expect him to be the first casualty. He's still fighting, though. I don't know what's going to happen next. I don't know what's going to happen next. Is this the last episode until next week? That sucks, man. Oh. それほどまでヒーローになりたかったか。エリを助けたかったか、ルミリオン。すべて汚らしい現代病だ。お前のようなやつを治してやるのさ、エリの力で。ライトアイ、玉木、みんな、スターキャー。 Please, please. Oh my god. All right. There's no next episode. Oh, we have to wait a week. Why? Oh my gosh, it's so painful. I am now Midoriya's here. So I don't know what he can do though, because he can't, like, he has to get close too, but like his combat abilities are nowhere near as good as Togata's. So I don't know. I don't know. Aizawa Sensei's there too, and I think everyone else will be there as well. But I actually feel like they're gonna save Eddie-chan now though. However, I think that that he's gonna get away. I think that Overhaul is gonna get away. And I think that they have the knowledge of how to make that bullet now, maybe, so they can make more potentially, or maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, I hope they save Eddie-chan.